how Web3 incentives will reshape operational excellence, transforming business operations through decentralized incentive structures and token-based engagement models. Chapter 1: The Web3 Revolution. From hype to maturity, Web3 technologies are evolving from speculative investments to practical business solutions that drive real operational value. In 2025, Web3 is entering mainstream adoption, attracting significant institutional capital. Bitcoin ETFs, such as BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, now manage nearly $60 billion in assets. Web3 applications are moving beyond speculative uses like NFTs and DeFi into practical, scalable solutions for finance, gaming, and supply chain management. Regulatory clarity is emerging, with new legislation legitimizing digital assets and token-based compensation. This legal recognition encourages broader business adoption and investment in Web3 technologies. As a result, Web3 is transitioning from niche innovation to a foundational component of modern digital economies. Between 2024 and 2026, Web3 is entering a new adoption cycle centered on practical and scalable applications. The focus is shifting from speculative hype towards sustainable, utility-driven ecosystems that generate long-term value. Decentralized infrastructure projects, DEPIN, such as SpaceCoin's satellite internet, are transforming how essential services are delivered. This wave emphasizes real-world impact and measurable benefits over short-term speculation. Overall, the current phase of Web3 adoption is laying the foundation for enduring technological and economic ecosystems. SpaceCoin's satellite launch, symbolizing the shift from theoretical Web3 concepts to tangible infrastructure that powers real-world decentralized networks and services. Chapter 2: Web3 Incentives, the new operational engine. Token-based incentive systems are revolutionizing how organizations motivate, reward, and align stakeholder interests. Tokenized compensation allows startups and enterprises to pay employees with digital tokens, fostering deeper engagement and motivation through shared ownership. Linking tokens to company milestones, governance rights, and performance metrics aligns employee performance with organizational goals. This approach ensures that both the company and its team benefit from collective success. Stablecoins facilitate instant and frequent payments, improving liquidity for employees. The system supports borderless accessibility, enabling seamless global payroll operations. Overall, tokenized compensation creates a more motivated, aligned, and flexible workforce. Web3 companies lead the shift to digital asset compensation by paying employees with tokens that include voting rights, profit sharing, and opportunities for community governance participation. These models foster deeper engagement, motivation, and alignment between individual performance and company success. Traditional firms are starting to experiment with token incentive plans, mission alignment programs, and community building initiatives. Government initiatives, such as the Genius Act, are providing legal clarity and regulatory support for tokenized payment structures. This combination of corporate innovation and regulatory backing is accelerating adoption across industries. As a result, tokenized compensation is redefining how employees are rewarded, engaged, and invested in organizational growth. Smart contracts enable fully automated and tamper-proof reward distribution, eliminating human error and potential fraud. Loyalty programs leverage blockchain to issue tokens only for verified customer actions, ensuring authenticity. The immutable nature of these contracts guarantees that reward rules cannot be altered. Customers benefit from transparent and predictable incentive structures that build trust in the program. Businesses gain efficiency and reduced operational costs by removing manual tracking and verification. Overall, smart contracts create a fair, reliable, and scalable foundation for modern incentive programs. Blockchain creates immutable records that provide complete transparency in tracking achievements and reward distribution. Its unalterable ledgers ensure all actions are permanently recorded, fostering trust among participants. Fraud prevention is enhanced as OEMs can validate dealer sales on-chain, minimizing manipulation and disputes. Real-time verification allows stakeholders to access verifiable incentive data instantly. This immediate transparency builds confidence across the network. Overall, blockchain strengthens accountability and reliability in incentive and performance programs. Layered incentives use cross-project decentralized identities, DIDs, to build accountable communities across multiple platforms. Participants receive financial rewards that combine traditional monetary compensation with token-based incentives. Social recognition through reputation systems and achievement badges fosters community status and engagement. Exclusive access to token-gated content and premium experiences further rewards loyalty. Governance rights empower participants with decision-making authority, deepening organizational involvement. Together, these layered incentives strengthen commitment, collaboration, and long-term participation within decentralized ecosystems. Chapter 3: Transforming Operational Excellence with Web3 Incentives. Real-world applications of Web3 incentive structures are reshaping how organizations operate and engage stakeholders. Decentralized identities, DIDs, give users ownership of digital identities tied to their participation history and reputation scores. These verifiable identities ensure accountability and transparency across decentralized ecosystems. Platform integrations like Lens Protocol and Farcaster enable token-gated content and exclusive community experiences. DIDs allow seamless access control, ensuring only verified participants benefit from privileged interactions. Organizations leverage DIDs to create authentic belonging and foster trust among members. Overall, DIDs form the foundational layer for engagement, accountability, and empowerment in decentralized business structures. Social FI platforms combine social interaction with decentralized finance, enabling users to earn rewards for content creation and community participation. This integration aligns financial incentives with engagement, fostering more active and committed communities. Gen Z and Gen Alpha are driving a generational shift toward decentralized, participatory digital experiences. These younger audiences expect transparency, ownership, and meaningful influence within online communities. Token-based incentives turn users into genuine brand advocates by rewarding ongoing contributions. Overall, social FI empowers communities while aligning individual and organizational interests through decentralized, reward-driven participation. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DEPIN, like Helium and Spacecoin incentivize users to build and maintain essential physical infrastructure. Token rewards encourage active participation, ensuring widespread network growth and reliability. These incentives also promote efficient resource allocation and operational excellence across energy, logistics, and IoT systems. By linking rewards to performance, DEPIN networks drive continuous quality improvements. Real-time market-driven adjustments enhance service reliability and cost-effectiveness. Overall, DEPIN aligns individual contributions with network-wide efficiency, creating scalable and resilient decentralized infrastructure. Web3 marketing leverages token-gated programs to drive deeper customer engagement. Nike reported a 37% boost in engagement through tokenized loyalty initiatives in 2025. Starbucks experienced a 35% increase in customer retention via Odyssey NFT journeys. These programs encourage repeat visits and strengthen brand loyalty. Across multiple platforms, Web3 marketing tools achieved a 27% lift in conversion rates. Overall, tokenized and NFT-based campaigns are proving highly effective in enhancing customer interaction and measurable business outcomes. Token rewards align individual performance with organizational success, boosting innovation and commitment. Decentralized governance allows employees to participate in strategic decision-making. Micro-incentives provide continuous motivation for staff. This approach fosters sustained operational performance. Overall, shared ownership models create a highly engaged and loyal workforce. Organizations must navigate complex and evolving regulatory frameworks when implementing Web3 incentive systems. Designing sustainable models that promote long-term value over short-term speculation is essential. Strong technical infrastructure ensures blockchain security, scalability, and reliability for critical operations. Balancing innovation with risk management helps mitigate operational and compliance challenges. Thoughtful planning and execution are key to unlocking the full benefits of tokenized and decentralized workforce models. Chapter 4: The New Paradigm of Operational Excellence. Web3 incentives represent a fundamental shift in how organizations achieve sustainable competitive advantage. Web3 incentives drive transparency, accountability, and continuous innovation across all business functions. Decentralized identities and token economies empower stakeholders and foster meaningful engagement at every organizational level. Incentive-driven operations enhance agility and collaboration within teams. Businesses that adopt Web3 incentives early will gain a competitive advantage and set new standards for operational excellence. Integrating these systems into organizational strategy is essential to lead in the next generation of market innovation. Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.